Tired of being stuck with the phones Cricket Wireless offers? Let's unlock the possibilities and see if your unlocked phone can join the Cricket party. First things first, compatibility is key. Cricket Wireless runs on the AT&T network, so your unlocked phone needs to be compatible with AT&T's network bands, specifically LTE bands 2, 4, 5, 12, 17, and 30. Head over to Cricket's website or use a third-party IMEI checker to confirm your phone's compatibility. Just pop in your phone's IMEI number, that's like its serial number, and hit enter. Next, you'll need a Cricket Wireless SIM card. You can snag one online or at a Cricket store. Once you have your SIM, power off your phone, insert the Cricket SIM card, and power it back on. Now, activate your service. You can typically do this online through Cricket's website or by calling their customer support. Follow the prompts and have your account information ready. After activation, your phone should connect to the Cricket network. If not, double-check your app settings. That's the access point name, which you can usually find in your phone's mobile network settings. Cricket's website provides these settings. The benefits: more phone choices, potentially saving money by using a phone you already own, and avoiding being locked into specific Cricket models. So, there you have it. With a little research and a Cricket SIM card, your unlocked phone can likely find a home on Cricket Wireless. Enjoy the freedom.